And welcome to the AM Volatility Report. I am Mark Sebastian. This is your AM Volatility Report. So let's talk about what's going on in the world. All right. Well, really ugly day yesterday. Really ugly day. And a lot of people are like, well, why aren't we getting a big, huge move out of VIX? And the answer is, well, it's already kind of priced in. We're getting this kind of every other day movement. With some big moves, but then some kind of not big moves, and prior to that was a lot of not big moves. So I can think of a few good reasons why VIX really wouldn't want to do very much, right? Why it might want to just kind of mellow, if you will. And, because of that, we're going to need kind of a couple of back-to-back days to get the kind of the VIX move people are looking for. But let's not forget, 16.5% is basically pricing in more than 1% daily movement. So it's not like the VIX is that low, right? We've had 2 days where we moved about, 1.5% in total, right? Remember, 30 points is not what it used to be. 30 points is 1.5%. All right, so we've had a day where we moved, a little less than 1.5%, a day where we moved 1.75%, intermixed with the day where with days where we've been moving 4 and 8. So if I add all those up, let's do a little math here. So we got 8 plus 4 plus 35 plus 29, and I divide that by 4, I get 19. Well, what's 19 divided by 2047? A little less than 1%. So the market's moving at about a 15 vol, and the VIX is pricing 16.5. So relative to historical norms, is the spread between VIX and underlying movement tight? Yes. But is the VIX necessarily underpriced? Maybe not. Right? Does that make sense? All right. So now let's see what else is moving around. You got Apple continuing, looking like it's going to threaten 120 again. All right. Always hilarious, right? You've got BABA still hanging around 82. They've got earnings coming up today. I don't know if you saw this. Alibaba earnings sometime today, not confirmed. I don't know if they're actually going to be today. Yeah, I think it's wrong too. As I look. Take a look at the... Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen, which makes it, a more interesting thing to trade around. Facebook, kind of hanging around. The vol's still staying low. Thank God GoPro has started to act like a normal stock. Thank God. All right, that's just proof that the squeeze is off. So now volatility ETNs. If I could kill your argument that there is any value in these except for an intraday trade, I would invite you to, especially in UVXY, I would invite you to look at a chart of these guys. Here we are. VIX is up on the year. All right, VIX is way up on the year. All right, and year over year, on a 6-month chart, the VIX is sky high. Let me just, check this. Right? So 6 months ago, we had a VIX of around 13, 12, 13. Now we've got a VIX of 16.5. All right? UVXY, on the other hand, at that same time was 26 and is now 19. All right? VXX, and here's where VXX can kind of show its teeth a little bit. right? VXX, 28 at the time, and around 28. So at least with VXX in a year where the VIX rallied, you haven't lost money. All right, at least you got that going for you. All right, so those are just kind of the things to think about when you're looking at this stuff. All right, folks, don't forget to check out our coursework at optionpit.com/mentoring, and you can still view our creating options with income, www.optionpit.com/income. All right, everybody, have a great day.